ミカとピッピの今度こそやり直し英語へようこそ。今日のお話はネクストシリーズ第1巻 A Quiet Morning です。優しい英語の絵本をゆっくり音読します。画面の英文を見ながら声に出して真似して読んでみましょう。
Mika remembers one quiet morning in the spring. The morning was quiet and slow. The forest was soft and green. The morning sky was pink, gold, and clear. The little house was calm and warm. A small wind was in the tall green trees. It was a good morning. Mika was sleepy in her little bed. Pippi was on the soft pillow, warm and round. I was very sleepy too, he says. You were warm, Pippi, she says. Yes, I was very warm, he says. Her green eyes were soft and happy. The forest was quiet outside. Mika looks at the window of her little house. It was a quiet, sunny morning. The sun was warm and bright. The forest air was clean and sweet. A little bird was on the green tree. It was happy in the sun. The morning was kind, gentle, and full of light. Mika and Pippi were in the garden. The garden flowers were pink, white, and gold. The trees were tall and green. Two little birds were in the warm morning sun. They were happy and loud. Mika and Pippi were happy too. The garden was full of light and song. The morning wasn't cold or dark. The wind wasn't strong. The birds weren't quiet at all. The water wasn't cold. Mika and Pippi weren't sad or sleepy. They weren't in a hurry. It was a slow, kind morning. Was it a dream? Pippi asks. No, it wasn't a dream, Mika says. Was the river warm? He asks. Yes, the river was warm and slow. Was the water clear? He asks. Yes, it was very clear, she says. It was a real warm morning, Pippi. Were you happy there? Pippi asks. Yes, I was very happy, Mika says. Were we at the river? He asks. Yes, we were at the river, she says. Were the birds with us? He asks. Yes, they were, my little friend. The two friends smile in the sun. That morning was quiet and slow. This morning is quiet too. The forest was green then. The forest is green now. Pippi was very little then. He is little now too. Some good things never change. Mika holds the warm memory in her heart. The memory is a little gift. The quiet morning was her friend. Pippi was there with her, small and bright. They were young, happy, and free. The river was their happy place. The memory is warm today. The new morning is here now. Mika opens the window of her warm house. The sun is warm and bright again. Good morning, Pippi, she says. Good morning, Mika, he says. The forest is quiet and green. Every quiet morning is a small, warm gift.